इधर देखेंगे इनकी तरफ. अच्छा, रोल पे है मैडम.
Okay, ji, Assalamualaikum. I would like you to introduce yourself first.
My name is Shandana Gulzar. I hail from Peshawar, from the rural area, Peshawar 3, and I've won the recent election of NA 30.
Okay, since the coalitive government is to be formed in next few days, what do you think are the immediate challenges the next government is going to face?
There are two questions that you've asked, and I'll separate them. The first one, the idea of a coalition government has been rejected roundly by Prime Minister Imran Khan, to me, the real Prime Minister of Pakistan. And so we will see what happens. We have approached certain political parties that are clean, like the Jamaat-e-Islami, and they have a mandate. We'll talk to them. But at the moment, because our mandate has been stolen, more than 80 seats of different MNAs from all over Pakistan have been reduced to give an unfavorable edge either to People's Party or to Noon League. Therefore, we're looking at our options, but either a weak government or a coalition with those people that the country has rejected, neither are possibilities for us.
So, what do you think what challenges they are going to face?
Pakistan is facing an acute economic crisis in the next 2 to 3 months. The IMF agreement mandates increases in different services and different bills. We owe, thanks to Mr. Sardar's lovely economic mismanagement, we have to pay up to $25 billion in bonds. So this is going to be a very tough year for Pakistan. If anyone thinks that they can get away with this rigging and make a successful government and get rid of these loans and give the people a way to live, they're joking. Everybody knows, and that's the only reason that the entire Western media has turned against these Pakistani elections, because there was an article yesterday in New York Times that said Pakistan has run out of friends and out of begging bowls. That's how disgusting we've become. In the world arena, we've become a joke, simply because the people of Pakistan want to vote for Khan.
So, as you've said, it's all about the rigging and people are just stealing the mandate of PTI. What do you think, if you are going to make a government, what would be the roadmap to all the, what kind of solution you are going to bring forward?
They haven't stolen the mandate of PTI. They've stolen the mandate of the people of Pakistan. They stole their food, they stole their money, they stole their livelihoods, they took away the health card, they took away the Kisan card. We had a dozen different welfare programs for the neediest in Pakistan. First they stole them all, then they stole their election. But this is the last straw. As you know, it's the straw that broke the camel's back. The people are simply unwilling, and if we haven't learned anything from our past, from our history, God forbid you can see mayhem on the streets, and we don't want that. Our leader is very capable of calling for any kind of protest. He has resisted so far. We're doing peaceful protests. We are telling our protesters not to go with any sort of mask, because we know people, the elements that concocted up 9th of May, they want to do another sort of false flag operations. We're being incredibly cautious. We have the right to protest under the Constitution, unless they've also done away with the Constitution. At present, whatever is happening to Pakistan is a joke. It's macabre. It's like a bizarre comedy. But we are going to stay the course. We are going to demand our freedom and our justice both. And that is our right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.